Effendi, aka Ninja T. I'm here with one of the homies, overdue collab, TheBitBlond, checking in from New York City.
Hello, GM guys. Thanks for having me on. Nice to be on. I miss my
Yes,
London community.
yes. We're very lucky to have you here. What time is it in New York?
It's 4:26, so nearly 5 o'clock.
4:26. Okay, amazing. Okay, well, this is the first ever, technically speaking, which is a show dedicated mainly on charts and data and fundamentals, heavy on the charts, obviously. Which I'll be honest, at Blockchainsensei have been very inconsistent on. So moving forward, we're going to be very consistent. So, for those that don't know, Blockchainsensei every Monday, 8 p.m. till 9:30 UK time, we'll be doing a free weekly webinar called The Game, covering mainly stocks, crypto, with special guests, etc. We're obviously going to get TheBitBlond on the game sometime this month, hopefully. So we've been running that every Monday, 8 p.m. till 9:30 since 2020. The Zoom link has recently changed. You'll find the Zoom link just in the main kind of Blockchain Sensei IG bio, etc. You can find 100 plus replays out now. Since April 2022, we've been doing NFT Fridays. I don't know. I don't really hear you talk too much about NFTs, BitBlond. Are you an NFT
I
girl
love
or not?
NFTs. Yeah.
Okay, amazing. And I'm assuming you know a bit about Bitcoin ordinals as well.
Is that NFT community? Sorry.
Bitcoin ordinals.
Maybe I do know, yeah. It's just a lot of
Okay,
things, yeah.
for sure. Um, and then Sundays we're now gonna do technically speaking. Now today we were late, but I can now confirm on this exact Zoom link, Mondays, Fridays, and Sundays we're gonna stream 8 p.m. plus UK time. Mondays stocks and crypto, Fridays NFTs, Sundays heavy on the charts. We're technically speaking. So just before we start, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a quick disclaimer so we don't get sued. And
Yeah.
then we'll have a chit chat with TheBitBlond and let's have a look at these markets. So 1 second. Okay. So we're on TheBitBlond. Share this time instead. 1 second. Let the stream catch up. Let the stream catch up. Okay, so check out TheBitBlond's link tree where you can find you can find most of what you need when it comes to connecting with TheBitBlond. Let's go to the disclaimer, blockchainsensei.com. Quick disclaimer. So, disclaimer, terms and conditions, all content is for education, information, and entertainment purposes only. It should not be considered as investment advice to buy, sell, hold any assets, no place any trades. Please always do your own what, BitBlond? What
Your
should they
own
always do?
market research. None of this content is a financial advice, guys. Just to remind.
Yes. So it's very important to do your own analysis before making any investments, which should be based on your own individual circumstances. Always pay your bills, your child support, your rent before. I know it's tempting to buy Bitcoin before paying your rent, but let's pay the rent first and then buy Bitcoin, okay? In that order. You should always take independent professional advice from a professional advisor. BitBlond, are you a professional financial advisor?
No.
No, neither am I. Independently research and verify all net and any information you may find in our show. You may wish to rely upon whether you wish to make an investment decision or otherwise. All investments come with what, BitBlond?
With technical analysis and expertise. So you should definitely be careful.
Yeah. All investments come with risks, so do your own research. Me and BitBlond, we're not financial
Yeah,
advisors, as
risks.
is Mr. Hardin. We don't intend to be perceived or received as financial advisors or accountants. We're working in collaboration with several accredited financial advisors and accountants. If you're unable to mitigate your risk, let us know. Hit up BitBlond, hit up myself, and we can refer you to a financial advisor. So let's get back in the Zoom. Share this time instead. Move over. Okay. Let's get back. Okay. All right, BitBlond. Do you wanna start it off, or do you want me to start it off with the charts?
You can start off and we can comment
Yeah.
on it.
All right, let's go. What I want to do is gonna be a challenge. Let me think about this. Let
Do
me
you
think
want me
about
to
this.
share the Bitcoin chart that I have here?
Wait. One sec. I'm just thinking. Basically, because I'm on StreamYard and Zoom at the same time. Okay, so I can't open a new window. That's absolutely fine. All right. What I'm gonna have to do is this. I can go on TradingView,
Yeah.
but I can't go on my paid TradingView. I have to go on this. I don't actually use this blockchain Sensei Gmail TradingView, but I'm gonna go on this TradingView because I can't stream on StreamYard and open in a new window, but I can open in a new tab. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So okay. So that is the reason. So just for the record, guys, one sec. It should share my screen in a second. Come on, share my screen. Oh, perfect. Just for the record, guys, Ninja T does pay for TradingView, but I can't switch tabs. So let me tell you the first thing that I realized, right? So this is the first chart that I look at. It's called the SIXRE, and it's kind of representative of real estate holdings in the S&P 500. And it's the best chart that I know, unless somebody wants to let me know, to kind of view global real estate. It's not exact, but anyway, it bottomed out in October 2022, and it's recently bottomed out to the October 2022 low, which makes me feel like a pullback is due, because when we compare this to the VT, which is the global stock market, we can see they were pretty much moving together, but as of late 2022, they're pretty much decoupled, where the stock market is continue to go up, and SIXREs taking a drawdown. Obviously, real estate is 3 times bigger than the stock market. Everything kind of follows the stock market. So after that, have a look at the VT. The stock market, in my opinion, is overvalued, along with tech stocks. Nasdaq is kind of crazy. I expect Nasdaq to draw down to potentially 12199, but at least 1 to 1366. Obviously, not financial advice. Crypto. Let's have a look at the market. Let's have a look at the market. Let's have a look at the total market first. Oh, it's already there. This is a messy trading view. Where is the total? Okay, cool. So right now, in my opinion, everything under 1.3 trillion to 720 billion is consolidation. I don't believe the crypto market. This is my sentiment. Is that I don't really think we're going to go back here. I'd be extremely surprised if we did.
Yeah.
I think we can draw down to 853, but I don't think we're going to go down to 720. I think this opportunity is gone now. That's what I would say. I'm not super bullish, but I'm not that bearish. With regards to the market itself, then I like to have a look at total 2. So that's the market without Bitcoin. It's the message trading view. So right now we're on $500 billion in crypto. I think it would be nice to set some buy orders for when the market. I think the market will draw down to 489. But I'd be really surprised if we ever get back down to these lows. And then total 3, just the altcoin market. Before really buying alts, I would wait until the altcoin market was below 300 billion, below 0.3 trillion. I think that's where it's going to bleed to. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. The greatest asset in the entire world. Okay, so I'm going to share some alpha with you guys. Are you ready? I back tested. I wish I did CA for you guys, but I can't change Windows. So, oh no, not this RSI. Not this RSI. RSI.
Strategy, yeah.
Oh wait, what the hell? What is going on? No, the Matrix attacking. Let me see it. Why is it giving me all of this? I don't want all of this. How do I get it? Just give me my
I think it went to the wrong one.
yeah. All right. Let's delete this. This is how much I don't use this trading view. RSI, relative strength index. Oh, perfect. Okay, cool, fantastic. Right. So let me get a clean Bitcoin for you guys because this one is too messy. Let's get a clean one. Oh, come on. Oh no, that one's too messy. No, we don't want it in GBP. USD, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. Okay, this one I've not doing too much on. All right, so there's a magical level on the RSI. Everybody who doesn't know how the RSI works, it's an indicator if an asset is undervalued or overvalued. Obviously, indicators can be incorrect. When the RSI is under 30, it's an indication an asset is undervalued and is a buy signal. When the RSI is over 70, which is this line here, that's 70, that's 30, it's an indication to sell. Now, life doesn't always wait for the 70 RSI. If we waited between March, if we sold Bitcoin in April 2022, we didn't get another sell signal till January 2023. That's too much time, right? This would have been an amazing time to sell Bitcoin because you could buy it back at that's a huge discount to buy back at. You can go from like 1 Bitcoin to 1.6. But this sell signal is too long, right? And this sell signal here, if we sold Bitcoin here, we could have bought back at maybe 20% drawdown. That looks like 20% to me. Let me get the ruler. Wait, no. Okay, so the sell signal was here. If we follow that sell signal, we could buy back Bitcoin at 17%. That's quite good. But in between, there were so many sell opportunities here. Now, what do? We can look for the RSI where there's a magical number, right? And that magical number is 64. I'm gonna stop sharing my screen. I'm gonna let BitBlond talk in a second. Let's go back to Zoom View tab. Share my screen on StreamYard. Share my screen on StreamYard. Okay, go back. Share this tab. All right, perfect. One sec. Oh, are we back? Yes. Okay, this is the magic number. You ready? When the RSI hits 64, not 61, not 62, not 63, 64. If you backtest the RSI on Bitcoin, every time the RSI hit at least 64, so 64, 65, 68.8, 69, 67, where it's just under 70, 100% of the time, when the RSI hit 64 or more on Bitcoin on the daily, Bitcoin drew down by at least 15%, often by 40%. So it's not financial advice. Moving forward, when the RSI hits 64, I'm going to consider selling some of my Bitcoin and buying back a 10% drawdown. Let me break it down to you. Let's say if I sold Bitcoin, let's say if I sold 0.1 Bitcoin, I'm not saying I have enough money to sell 0.1 Bitcoin, but let's say if I did have enough money and I had enough Bitcoin to sell 0.1 when the RSI hit maybe 65. I set a buy order to buy it back at 10% drawdown. I go from 0.10 Bitcoin to 0.11. 1% Bitcoin is a lot of money in the future. But over to BitBlond.
Yeah,
That's my game.
I agree. I just want to do a touch because it's easier to look on a daily when we're not having movements, like drastic movements. But I do think that we're going to reach 30k. We're very close to 30k right now. And you can sell there. But as you said previously, I don't expect us to go lower than 27k anymore. It could happen though, but I don't expect Bitcoin to kind of, retest 25k. I think overall it's been very, very exhaustive these months. Do you feel like that, Ninja? It's been very exhaustive to trade Bitcoin. It's like it's very sideways. But in the other hand,
It's very sideways.
yeah, in the other hand, it's very good to accumulate. So it's bad and good when it's sideways, So I think looking on a daily, it makes more sense to trade on a daily when it's less movements. But when it's like huge movements, I would say not financial advice, but I would say if we have like high volatility, I will be trading on the 4 hourly graph to the 1 hour. So
Wait, do you use leverage or futures or just spot?
I do use leverage, but I do not recommend to people, right? Because you need to know how to use leverage. But of course, I think if you have a good risk management, leverage, it's very, very helpful. That's why I don't trade Forex. Like, I'm not sure if they have leverage, but crypto has a lot of leverage, and you need to use
So
correctly.
what's your goal like? Do you so for example, let me ask you this: when Bitcoin's overvalued, do you sell it and then buy it back,
Yeah, of
or do you never
course.
sell it?
No, you have to buy and sell. I think so.
Some people only buy the dip, but they never sell the high. I don't understand. They're like, oh,
Yeah.
I just buy the dip, but I'd never sell it.
Well, it really depends. I think in general, it's just nice to accumulate as Bitcoin is gonna be our current currency very soon. But the main thing in trading is to be profitable, right? So you do want make profits all the time, and especially now that we've literally going sideways forever, so you do want to make profits. Yes, I do buy and sell, like, but of course I want to accumulate, but I'm not bullish on Ethereum. Like, I think Ethereum is going to do really, really well, but in general, it's nice to accumulate Bitcoin. But if you have the opportunity to buy and sell, you should definitely make profits of it.
Yeah, I like that. So do you ever measure, do you ever look at Bitcoin like, do you ever look at Bitcoin and say, okay, this is 1% Bitcoin, 0.01. If I sell it and buy it back, it's going to be 0.012.
I
Do you,
don't,
do you
I
think of it as
don't,
that like,
I don't
you,
really
you
look
don't
at.
think of it like that?
Well,
I think of it in sats.
well, it depends. Like, one Bitcoin is one Bitcoin, anyways, for Bitcoiners. But
Yeah, but one Bitcoin, do you want one Bitcoin or do you want 1.1 Bitcoin? I want 1.1. And I
oh,
can I can get 1.1 with one without spending any more fiat. That's
yeah.
how I think of it.
But it's a like I can talk from US perspective. It's very tough to do things in crypto here. So it
Mm.
really depends on what you're gonna do with your crypto and if you're using it also, or if you're just holding it. Like, let's say Dubai and other places, you can just use crypto for everything. But some countries are very expensive to transfer from crypto to money. That's what I face here. So yeah, it depends. But I think accumulating right now is just the best option. But of course, somewhere around like 60,000, when we are back to 60K, you can definitely sell it or just wait to 100K and, play inside, buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell.
Definitely. You are now co-host. Would you mind jumping on the charts? I want to see your TA.
Yeah, let's let's share the screen. Do I'm sharing
Go.
in mine?
We have fun on technically speaking.
Okay. So this one I made a video. Can you see?
Um, no, it's not.
Not
It's
yet.
not sharing your screen. No,
Okay.
it's not sharing your screen.
1 second.
Try again.
Yeah, continue.
'Cause
Yeah.
I can't see this screen share on Zoom. Oh, wait. I think it's happening.
Yeah.
Okay, I can see it on Zoom, but I don't know if YouTube can see it. Yeah, YouTube can see it. Let's go.
Okay, so that's the last video I made on my channel also. As you notice, like, we've been testing 25K multiple times, and I don't think that is going to happen again. It's just a lot of consolidation going on, but we're very, very close to
Wait, so you don't think we're gonna hit 25,000?
No, I don't think so.
I've got a Bitcoin buy. I've got a big Bitcoin buy order at 23,300.
Well, I'm not
So let's
saying
see if that goes through.
I'm not saying that is going to happen now because I'm using the MACD and like on my perspective, still going up on a daily. So we likely to touch 30k before going lower. But 23k, I don't know. I don't think so. Just if I will do a circle here. Wait.
Yo, I
So
want you to put a line and then said Ninja's got a buy order at 23,300.
I'm not that pessimist about Bitcoin. So imagine that this is like our support and we close it to 30k, then we are closer to our support at the moment. So when we break the support, I would say 20, right? But
Ooh,
yeah, because that's the second one, right? That's the previous one we had here. But
that would be nice to buy.
yeah, but it's so manipulated. Has been like that for ages. Like all my videos are even boring at some point. Like, you know, we have to retest 40k.
Do you ever short Bitcoin or not? I never short Bitcoin. Never.
You mean like on your wallet or something?
No,
Short. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
short Bitcoin on exchange. I never short Bitcoin.
I do. I do.
Dude,
Yeah.
I find it scary, man.
No, so if we break here, as I'm saying, if we break 25, you can literally short to 20. That's the next gap to be
Oh
filled.
my god. Oh my god. That's such a big short. Oh my gosh.
But that's a reality.
That scares me.
It's a reality. So if that happens, but I don't think that's gonna happen. We're still crossing up on a MACD. So it's likely to go,
Yeah.
we can go 30k, or the scenario we can touch here 30k, and then you can short or see what's gonna happen. If we just break up, like let's say 32k, I would not short, but around 30k, it's another level to watch because things, they go up and down. So if we hit 30k, you can short back to support again. But if we break support, you can short to 20,000. That's my perspective.
I love that. That was some serious alpha. There were some brave numbers you just said.
Yeah, I mean, I'm trying to, make very, very simple analysis. It's just not much filter on it. It's just more on
What
support and
what
resistance.
percentage of your portfolio is Bitcoin right now? Are you allowed to say?
No, I don't like it.
You don't like to say.
No, I mean, I'm about to make a challenge on my YouTube channel, like this kind of crazy challenges. Oh, let's transfer, 1k to some big amount. But the reason why I'm not doing that yet, it's, I saw a video that a guy like accidentally showed his address and he got whacked. So I'm not I'm not sure yet, but I do want to make a challenge like transferring 1000 to, I don't know, 5k, and do like a daily challenge. That's going to happen very soon on my channel.
So you're gonna do daily trading on Bitcoin with leverage.
It doesn't have to be on Bitcoin. In fact, you can have more, profit from altcoins and others. I
Okay,
like support and
okay.
resistance, I'm very basic on it. So that's the current scenario here. I think we likely to touch 30k, and then from 30k you can make some sell to the support, and if you break support you can go short, you can go long. So it's all up, it's pretty much the same, but you need to be patient. And also we're looking into the daily. As I said, we're not moving with high volatility, so I'm not gonna go to lower time frames. It's just very, very boring.
Okay, for sure. Have you got any TA on any other charts for us?
No, I just left SP 500 here on a daily. Like, is kinda starting to get into this buy
It's
zone.
just touched the 200 though. It's just touched it.
Yeah. So, which is another bullish sign for us, having that speed 500 bullish. So, I'm not like a big one in Forex, but sometimes I do have my eyes on it. And yeah, it's looking pretty much into the buy.
You know what forex trade I wish I entered? Shorting the pound sterling. You remember in 2022, that was so easy. I'm like, damn. Sometimes you gotta take the trade when you understand the macro.
I
But
was just talking
that's what
about that
I stick to
recently
crypto.
with somebody, like about trading Forex. I just, there's nothing wrong with it because I use leverage. And yeah, if they give me leverage, I might trade Forex.
Oh wow. The bit
I know.
FX, it never stops. The
Well,
blonde FX. FX blonde.
oh my god. Like seriously, if I would be a big shorter, I wish I knew the collapse of FTX. That was a great short opportunity.
Oh, I didn't take that one. You know what? The second best spot trade I ever did was I bought the lunar dip. Like I literally bought the ultra dip and I made like 40x.
Ooh,
I
that was a
timed
good
it very
one.
well.
But Luna is a bad
Yeah,
one
no,
though.
nobody talks about the fact that if you bought the lunar dip to like the high, I think it was like 160x, but no one talks about it.
Yeah. I mean, it's
It's just
crazy. I
maths.
just hope that nothing else will collapse at the end of this bear market anymore, right? Because, Binance has some weird actions sometimes. And I'm really
Mhm.
hoping that nothing is going to happen to Binance. If so, we will likely to see the crypto market in a very bad scenario. But, how are you doing, by the way, in this bear market?
Oh, I'm killing it. I'm absolutely killing it. I've grew a portfolio by about like 30% in the past 5 months. Now, 30% doesn't sound crazy, but I've actually retained my capital. Like I'm really good at capital preservation in the bear market. I know there's a time to be a trader, there's a time to be an investor, and there's a time to do nothing. Sometimes it's good to
Yeah,
just sit on your cash and just wait.
that's true.
So
Let's have a
I
look
have
on it.
three main portfolios, right? I have a Bitcoin portfolio, an Ethereum portfolio, and a stablecoin and fiat portfolio, right? So I'm always just trying to grow the Ethereum, the Bitcoin, the stablecoins, and the fiat, and I use altcoins to increase my Bitcoin, Ethereum, and fiat. On the last, technically speaking, I was talking about like altcoin to Bitcoin pairs. So I converted a little bit of Bitcoin into NEAR, and then I've got a trade to go back into Bitcoin, so I get more Bitcoin and I get some near as well. That's nice. Making my
Yeah.
money work, making my Bitcoin work for me.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I always say, you have to buy altcoins also, but I would say like you can keep 60% on Bitcoin and 30 on Ethereum and, the rest just into great projects but random altcoins. And yeah, I think Ethereum
Damn,
it's a
that's
big
a
one.
very conservative and safe portfolio.
I'm very bullish on Ethereum also. I think Ethereum is gonna do absolutely well. Like all these projects and NFTs and everything is on ETH. Like I don't want to sell my ETH.
I have no problem selling my ETH hide and then buying it back. I
That's
always do.
smart. That's very smart.
There's so many opportunities to turn one Ethereum into 1.1. So many in a consolidating market. It's beautiful. I did
Yeah.
it with stocks as well. I think like how can I turn 10 Snapchat stocks into 12 Snapchat stocks? Snapchat and PayPal right now, my favorite stocks. They've been my favorite stocks for a while.
Oh
They're at the
really? Are
bottom.
you trading them?
No, I'm not trading. I'm more accumulating them at this spot. Check Snapchat and PayPal. Look at the dip. It's crazy. It's more crazy than most cryptos.
Oh no. I'm more on the altcoins. Do you use crypto bubbles to check? Do you use crypto bubbles?
Oh, crypto bubbles? Not really. No, no. But show us.
Okay, so I think crypto bubbles it's a very very nice interactive way to look into trading opportunities. You can come to the daily or to the hourly chart, up to you. So you can see whatever is up and down. Let's say this one it's moving. So let's have a look on it. Link USDT. And I think that's a very nice way you can make like 300 or whatever with leverage per day. So that's the daily. So for hourly chart, you can spot those altcoins really easy on crypto bubbles, as you see here. Link USDT, right? That's the one. Yeah. So yeah, you can just buy and sell altcoins and make nice profit from it, having a look on crypto bubbles. But of course, you need to have a risk management. And if you don't have risk management, I would not recommend you to trade altcoins. They move really, really heavy compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum. But you can make a lot of money with altcoins. How are you trading altcoins so far, Ninja?
How I like to trade altcoins is I like to hold my fiat or my stable until the altcoin has really bled. I'm talking like RSI 25. And then bam, I put my money in. And then when the altcoin does even 30%, I take out the original fiat. I'm aggressive. I'm aggressive in putting my money in and taking my money out. I don't want to. I don't want to lose money in a bear market, because if it goes down, I want to have my cash ready to buy back.
Yeah.
So I aggressively break even quickly. I'm talking sometimes even at 20% profit. I'll take out at least my initial. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
That's
everybody.
my all-kind accumulation strategy.
Yeah, people do have different strategies, but I think as long as you pay yourself and cash out, it's important. So, in general, I think it's a very great time for people that are just starting in Web3 and crypto, because that's for sure it's exhaustive, but it's the end of the bear market. We just don't know how long it's going to be sideways. But if you're looking into start, I think we are in a very, very great time to start accumulating and wait for the new highs.
Yes. Sorry, 1 second.
Yeah, but it's not
Just
doing much today either. So Sunday, Bitcoin is not doing much. I'm waiting to hit 30K, hopefully this week.
No, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay. What's your plans? What's your plans tomorrow? Monday, 8 p.m. till 9:30 UK time.
I'll probably be working from home, so if you like to do something, we can.
Yes, I want to give you like a 10 to 15 minute slot, and I'm going to give you that slot between 8:30 p.m. and 8:45 p.m. Can you put that in your diary?
Yep.
This exact Zoom link. Well, you can come here earlier. You can come at 8. So think of a topic and then send me a picture of yourself, and then when I add you to the game, basically, right? This link is going to be so active now. Mondays, Fridays, and Sundays, 8 p.m. till 9 p.m. And yeah, if you could let your community know, I'll stay up and then do a little poster. I'm going to be up for it's 10 p.m. UK time, and I'm not going to bed till 6 a.m. tomorrow because I've got a coach back to Manchester, so I can't afford to sleep. If I sleep, I might miss my coach.
Oh.
So I have to stay up all night.
Oh no.
Yeah. So yeah, let your community know.
Okay.
And yeah, this is being live streamed on Twitter as well and LinkedIn. I love it.
Let's do I'm going to link to my YouTube also. Let's do it. I want to be more active, so I'll definitely be there. So it's going to be somewhere around 5 New York time. I'll be on it. We can do it.
Okay, go show them your YouTube channel. Show them plug yourself in. Show them your website or whatever you want to show them. For that Brave browser.
This one,
You love it.
and I wasn't doing much actually, so I'm more active now. So that's my YouTube channel, TheBitBlond. It's
Yeah,
pretty
that's
much.
to 100 subscribers, man. She's only on 73. Come on.
Yeah, come on, subscribe now.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, I wasn't active, but I'm trying my best now. So guys, I'll be doing, TA interviews, conferences, my best. So drop a like and follow and everything. So it's pretty much TheBitBlond everywhere, and follow also Blockchainsensei. Right? Don't forget.
Yes. All right, BitBlond. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Yeah, let your people know that we do that the weekly webinar, the game, every Monday, 8 p.m. to 9:30, same Zoom. But yeah, your slot I'm gonna give you 8:30 to 8:40, 8:45. Just let me know what you want to cover, Bitcoin, whatever, TA, whatever. And yeah, I basically said to Mr. Harding, I'm gonna take over the webinars so he can focus on like some corporate stuff. So I'm always going to be opening and hosting the webinars, and I'm trying to just do super collabs right now. Just a load of collabs, just bam, 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 get them out there. You know what I mean?
Yeah. All
Let
right.
them know that we're building through the bear market.
Yeah, that's the best. I think the weak people are just out of the market. You need to be really, really strong to survive. This bear market has been absolutely crazy. So we're doing our best here, and that's it.
That's it. Right, BitBlond. They'll see you live on this Zoom in like 22 hours. That's how dedicated you are.
Yes, absolutely.
Right, WhatsApp me a picture of yourself, and then I'll get a graphic done in like 1 hour.
Okay. See you
Right,
in
take care,
22 hours. Thank you, guys.
Don't leave. Don't leave. I'm gonna stop streaming, and then we're gonna have a quick private conversation. Right, I'm locking this off on the YouTube. End the stream. End the stream. Let me end the stream. Let me end the stream. End the stream. End the stream. Okay, let me just make sure that
Okay.
this is finished. Okay, return to dashboard. Wait. I need to just get off YouTube because I need to have a private conversation with you. Right, cool.
Okay.
Cool, fantastic. Right.
Thank you.
It's just me and you.